So if you have an old skateboard and you want to have a cruiser board, then you mark out where you're gonna cut it, and you saw it off, and then you mark where you're gonna round off the corners and saw that off with a stick saw. Then it looks like this. Then mark or take off the grip tape, and then you mark where you're gonna cut it on the other end and where you're gonna round it off. Then you saw it off, and it looks like this, a little board. Then you remove the trucks and place them where you want them. File off the edges, sand the edges so it's smooth. Then you can put on some grip tape and try it out. And it's snow outside, so I have to do that inside. When you know that it works, you can paint whatever you want on the underside. So this is the finished cruiser from an old skateboard.